Hello, the uneducated businessman here, and following up from my last video on leadership where I was talking about getting that sense of community and people coming together. I want to talk a little bit about how you keep them connected, how people can stay connected when they're working remotely. Now, when you're in an office, it's easy because people have that human contact. They're making tea, they're going for cigarette breaks, there's all these things they can do to have a chat, find out about each other and stay connected and bond. When you're working remotely and you're all over the world, it becomes very different and very difficult, and people do feel disconnected and they can feel quite alone. So a little tip that I'll give you on this one is, when you schedule your meetings, schedule half an hour extra at the start of the meeting, and the start of the meeting should always just be chat. Just have a chat, try to have a little bit of fun, try to get people talking with amongst themselves. Imagine they're around a water cooler and they're just there chatting and finding out about each other. And it can be difficult because sometimes people don't want to go first, but you can come up with little questions that you can ask as the leader to the group and people can answer. And it can just be something stupid like, what did you have for dinner last night? Everyone tell me. How did you prepare it? Where did you go to get it if it was a takeaway? And people can talk about that, and it's surprising how people get into things like that. And it's just crazy, it's just silly, but people will contribute a little bit in an informal way, and they'll carry on getting to know each other, and they'll feel more connected with each other, which is always a great thing. And then follow up a question with, how can we as a group support each other for the next week coming? Ideas on the table, please. And get them talking about that as well, because when they coming up with ideas how they can support each other, again, it brings them together, it makes them feel connected. You can record that everyone's accountable, everyone's got an action plan to support each other. So they're two really great tips of getting people connected when everyone's working remotely. Hope that was useful. I will be back with another one. What's the next one? Is how to prepare for these meetings and what you need to do. So look out for that one. That'll be coming up soon. Take care. Over and out.